It was the morning of the 25th of October, 1944. One American 5-inch shell, which cut right through the gray dawn off the coast of Samar Island, was aimed at the Japanese cruiser Chokai. The shell itself was small enough not to do any actual injury, but it set up a chain reaction so tremendous that it broke the warship in two. It is not merely the story of heavy gunfire, but of the hidden technology in these shells which made naval battles history. Following the post-First World War, naval forces in the world started to realize that bigger guns and heavier armor did not necessarily work in naval war. The Battle of Jutland had shown major flaws in the British naval shells, which sometimes in the combat failed miserably in essential aspects. A lot of shells not only broke as they hit the armor of the enemy, but they never exploded at all when they hit their object. Such failures were critical and led to the death of hundreds of people in the battle. Noticing these vital issues, the U.S. Navy started on a massive project to develop their Navy ammunition. They wanted to come up with shells that would be able to penetrate the heavy armor and detonate at the right time inside a boat of the enemy. This necessitated not only an improvement in the design of the shell to make sure that it resisted impact, but also in the explosives that were fitted and the consistency of the fuses to be sure that they would detonate at the appropriate moment. The purpose of these developments was to inflict the greatest harm possible to the internal facilities of the enemy, making naval artillery